Do you dream of living in a space that combines luxury, drama, and elegance? Hollywood Regency interior decor might be your perfect match. Known for its bold glamour and chic sophistication, this style captures the glitz of old Hollywood while remaining timelessly stylish. Let's dive into the world of Hollywood Regency interiors and discover how to bring this iconic look to your space. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What types of furniture suit this style? Look for furniture with sleek lines and luxurious upholstery. Tufted velvet sofas, sculptural chairs, and glossy lacquered tables are perfect choices to embody the Hollywood Regency aesthetic. Inspired by chic furniture? Tap like to elevate your space. What role does symmetry play in this design? Symmetry creates balance in Hollywood Regency interiors. Use matching lamps, chairs, or artwork on either side of a focal point like a fireplace or sofa. Admire perfect symmetry? Tap like for timeless tips. What role do mirrors and reflective surfaces play? Mirrors are a hallmark of Hollywood Regency decor. Use large, ornate mirrors or mirrored furniture to add depth and amplify light, enhancing the room's glamorous vibe. Adore reflective touches? Hit like to try them out. What is Hollywood Regency interior decor? Hollywood Regency decor is a style rooted in the golden age of Hollywood. It emphasizes opulence, bold contrasts, and elegant furnishings. This look is all about creating drama and glamour in your living space. Love a touch of luxury? Hit like to explore more. What fabrics are popular in this style? Velvet, silk, and satin are go-to fabrics for Hollywood Regency. These materials bring a sense of richness and texture to upholstered furniture, curtains, and cushions. Admire plush fabrics? Hit like to add elegance to your home. What are the key features of Hollywood Regency interiors? Expect shiny surfaces, mirrored furniture, plush fabrics, and rich colors. Lacquered finishes, gold accents, and dramatic lighting also define this glamorous style. Admire bold glamour? Tap like to bring it home. How does lighting enhance Hollywood Regency decor? Lighting is essential to this style. Crystal chandeliers, bold floor lamps, and wall sconces with metallic finishes bring a sense of drama and elegance to any room. Adore statement lighting? Hit like to brighten your interiors. How does color play a role in this style? Hollywood Regency interiors often feature high-contrast color schemes. Black and white are staples, with splashes of jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, or ruby red adding depth and drama. Love vibrant colors? Hit like for more inspiration. How can I use metallic accents effectively? Gold, silver, and chrome accents are a must for Hollywood Regency interiors. Use them in lighting fixtures, picture frames, or decorative objects to add a touch of luxury. Love metallic finishes? Tap like to glam up your space. How can I refresh Hollywood Regency interiors over time? Update accessories or switch out textiles with trendier patterns and colors. Swapping light fixtures or adding a new piece of artwork can also keep the look current. Ready to refresh? Hit like to begin today. How can I incorporate modern elements into Hollywood Regency decor? Blend in contemporary art or sleek furniture pieces to give the style a modern edge. This keeps the look fresh while maintaining its luxurious essence. Enjoy mixing styles? Hit like for creative ideas. How can I accessorize for a Hollywood Regency look? Accessorize with bold art pieces, statement sculptures, and oversized vases. Look for items that exude glamour, like crystal bowls or gold-trimmed trays. Inspired by chic accessories? Tap like to complete your look. Can small spaces embrace Hollywood Regency decor? Absolutely. Focus on key elements like bold lighting, mirrors, and luxurious fabrics to create a sense of opulence even in smaller rooms. Living in a cozy space? Tap like to add some glamour. Can I mix patterns in Hollywood Regency design? Absolutely. Pair geometric patterns with animal prints or floral designs for a layered and dynamic look. Just be sure to keep the color palette cohesive. Love eclectic designs? Tap like to mix and match. Can flooring make a statement in this style? Yes. High-gloss floors, marble tiles, or black and white checkerboard patterns are quintessential Hollywood Regency. Add a plush area rug for a cozy yet dramatic touch. Dreaming of stylish floors? Hit like to transform yours. Hollywood Regency interior decor is the epitome of glamour and sophistication. Whether you're drawn to its bold contrasts, luxurious textures, or statement pieces, this style offers endless opportunities to make your space truly shine. Happy decorating!